Are you familiar with either of these two instruments? This is a Hewlett Packard 8452 array spectrophotometer. This handbook came out in 1988. This is the newer Hewlett Packard 8453. This catalog came out in 2000. As it happens, there's probably many hundreds of these still in use, most of which are still saddled with ChemStation, which was the original program that the original manufacturer put on it. And there's an alternative. Why would you want to put new software on instruments that date to the 90s or early aughts? Because the instruments themselves are excellent. They're solid state UV-Vis spectrophotometers, which work as well as today as they did when they were originally manufactured, particularly if they've been, refurbed a bit, new lamps, new shutters, that sort of thing, which is certainly possible to do. The 8453, as you might expect, is a slightly better version than the original model. This one had a spectral range of 200 to 800 nanometers with 1 nanometer resolution using a single lamp. The newer model used 2 lamps, which gives higher sensitivity and a slightly broader range of 190 to 1100, as well as more diodes. So it has 1 nanometer resolution as opposed to 2. So if you own either of these instruments, I'm sure that you know exactly what I'm talking about. They're excellent. You love them, but you're saddled with a very old computer with pretty lame software, if you will, and you might want to change that. So you could create the functional equivalent of a brand new machine by getting Windows 10, 11 software that's much better than ChemStation and offers a lot more functionality. If you don't have one of these instruments, they are available to purchase fully warranted as an alternative to buying an instrument at the same price point that's not any better and likely not as good. So if you're interested in learning more about this, please be in touch.